Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to add a cool shake effect to your text messages on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Then, select the contact you want to message. Now, go ahead and type out the message you want to send. Once you've typed it out, we need to format the text to add that shake effect. To do this, double tap on the word you want to format. You can then adjust the highlighted area if you need to by dragging the little handles. Okay, now for the magic. Look above the P key on your keyboard. You should see a Format button. Tap on that. This will take you to the formatting options. Simply select the Shake option, and the formatting will be applied automatically. Now you can continue typing the rest of your message, or go ahead and send it. You'll see that the shake effect is applied to the selected word. And that's it. It's a simple way to add a bit of fun to your text messages. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.